Stop asking ChatGPT how to make money. It gives you generic advice, not cash. It's a waste of your time. The real money isn't in chatting with AI. It's in using specialized tools that do the actual work for you. Today, I'm showing you 4 hidden AI tools that build websites, edit viral videos, design pitch decks, and even write songs in seconds. I'm not just going to list them. I'm going to show you exactly which buttons to click to start a business in the next 10 minutes. Let's get to work. Stop editing shorts manually. Just go to opuspro.com and paste a link to any long YouTube video. Hit Get Clips in one click. The AI instantly analyzes the footage to find the best hooks. In just a few minutes, it turns that one long video into a gold mine. Look at this. It generated a whole list of viral shorts automatically. But here is the secret sauce. Check this viral score. The AI predicts exactly which clips will go viral. This one is a 99 out of 100. It automatically crops the video, adds colorful captions, and even highlights keywords. It's completely done for you. You can sell this clipping service to podcasters for $500 a month, and you just press one button. Forget paying developers. Tool number 2 automates web design and puts $250 in your pocket within minutes. Go to durable.co, hit generate, and type in a business. Let's create a site for a local coffee shop in New York. Watch this. The AI writes all the copy, designs the layout, and selects images, all in real time. Done. In under a minute, you have a professional website with a gallery and a contact form. 0 coding required. The profit hack? Find local businesses on Google Maps without a site. Generate them this demo and charge $250 for the setup. Tool number 3 kills PowerPoint forever. If you are still dragging text boxes manually, you are wasting hours of your life. Go to gamma.app. Click Create New and choose Presentation. Let's make a pitch deck for a futuristic AI startup. Just type your topic, the AI instantly builds a perfect outline. Pick a professional theme, hit Generate, and take your hands off the mouse. Watch this. It's not just writing text, it's designing layouts, generating relevant stock images, and formatting charts automatically. It's building a full 10-slide investor deck in real time. Look at that quality. It looks cleaner than 90% of manual work. You can export this to PDF or PowerPoint instantly. The hustle? List pitch deck design on Upwork or Fiverr. You can charge $50 to $100 per presentation and do it in 30 seconds. Tool number 4 makes you a music producer. Go to suno.com and click Create. Type in anything. Look at this specific prompt. A happy birthday song for Alex, who loves pizza and coding. Hit Create. In seconds, the AI writes the lyrics, composes the melody, and generates the vocals. Just watch. Listen to this quality. It's catchy, original, and sounds like a real artist.
It's your day, Alex, grab a slice. Cheese is melty, your life's a bite. Pepperoni dreams, take flight tonight. Binary candle.
You can generate any genre, any topic. It's mind-blowing. The money hack? Sell personalized songs on Fiverr for birthdays or anniversaries. People pay $50 for a custom track that took you 10 seconds to make. Here is the brutal truth. Clients don't care which AI you use. They only pay for solved problems. Most people will watch this video and do nothing. Don't be them. Pick one tool from this list and try to earn your first dollar today. If you want more nonsense tech guides that actually work, hit that subscribe button right now. This was Future Lens. Welcome to the new economy. I'll see you in the next video.